If you're on the hunt for a solid HR and payroll platform, you might have come across Rippling. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into the features, usability, and whether it's truly worth your time and money. Rippling is designed to streamline HR and payroll processes, making it easier for businesses to manage their workforce. At its core, it offers features like payroll processing, benefits administration, and employee onboarding, all integrated into one platform. The user experience is fairly intuitive, which is a plus for those who may not be tech savvy. One standout aspect is the ability to automate various HR tasks, which can save significant time. However, some users have reported that the learning curve can be steep initially, especially when navigating through its comprehensive features. Rippling targets small to medium-sized businesses, promising a tailored experience that grows with your company. While it looks polished on the surface, there are areas where information feels sparse, particularly regarding customer support options and specific integrations, which might leave potential users wanting more clarity before committing. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, Rippling excels in its comprehensive automation capabilities and user-friendly interface, which can significantly ease HR burdens. The integration of payroll and HR functions into one platform is another major plus, saving time and reducing errors. However, there are some downsides to consider. Some users have expressed frustration with the initial setup process, which can be quite complex. Additionally, pricing may be a concern for smaller businesses as it can get steep depending on the features you choose. There's also a notable lack of transparency regarding customer support, which can be a deal breaker for some who need reliable assistance. Overall, while Rippling has great potential, it may not suit every business, particularly those looking for a straightforward, budget-friendly solution. In conclusion, Rippling could be a great choice for businesses looking for a robust HR and payroll solution, particularly if you're ready to invest time in mastering the platform. However, smaller businesses or those on a tight budget might want to explore alternatives. Overall, it's worth considering, but do your homework first.